Hello world, this is protest from East Finland. Day is 28 and I am the one who found out how universe works and I think that today Big Bang theory is total wrong theory, that people they can't explain what is expanding space, what is the reason and what is the possibility why it's happening. Nobody can explain expanding space. And I drink alcohol every day that long time that one cosmologist or one physicist coming to public and tell everybody that okay, these people they have this kind of theory that you can just believe. It's just like God, Zeus, antique God, Greece God, Zeus doing something and nobody could not explain how. And expanding space is same kind of God. Nobody can explain expanding space. It's doing something that people, science people say that expanding space doing something, but they can't explain how. I have a model which is three-dimensional model. Space is infinity, three-dimensional place which is nothing. So I can explain that with words and visual way. Somebody can make it three-dimensional animation and show what's happening when nucleus of atoms expanding and recycling dark expanding pushing force which have a nature of electrons and photons. And we can show visual way with animation what's happening that expanding space when this expanding space dark expanding light waves interact with each atom and get each atom expanding faster and faster. And that's the way that expanding light moving faster and faster, same way what matter and light expanding. Vähän sammutan vielä nyt. And protest was that, you know. And this space, if there is something that's moving in space, it is not space. And if you take everything away from space, like a nucleus atoms, and all emit like light, you take everything away which moving in space, then you don't have anything if you try to explain what is this expanding space, because you can't using this movement. If you have a separated particle which moving relativity to each atom, you can show what's happening when like a matter thermal expansing. Then you can show this what's happening when this particle moving relativity to each atom. But if you take everything off from space and you have just that place with this space, then you can't explain what is this expanding space. And I say expanding space is naked emperor. Google Savorinen Uusi Suomi blog and there is text where I tell how that universe really works. Okay, cheers.